My name is Chris Kibui. I'm from Nairobi in Kenya, which is a country in East Africa, and I work for HockeyTutorial. Our channel, which produces videos for ice hockey, is there to educate, inspire, and grow the game of hockey. I watched the Mighty Ducks movies and decided that was the coolest thing I'd ever seen, and that's what I wanted to do next. At the time, it was something that hadn't really been seen before, especially from a black dude living in England. At the start, it was just something that was fun. I never intended it to become a career, a job. That wasn't my intention at all. You either do that or you do this. And that day I grabbed my stuff and walked out the door and quit. As corny as it is, it's my life now. And at the beginning, there was so much hate. Diversifying the game is always something that is in the back of my mind. It's not something that I bring to light very often. It's not just me, and I've never ever tried to take credit and say that it's me that's done this. There's been a lot of people along the way that have helped, and there's a lot of people that help now. It wouldn't exist without all of those pieces working together to be able to bring you the content that hopefully you guys enjoy watching. And I remember the comments in that video were like, what the F happened? Because this is not like anything that we've seen before. That's something that I sometimes sit back and think, what the hell's going on? How did we get here? Do what you can, because you don't know what little gestures will have. I like to think of it as the butterfly effect. You don't know how something small can completely alter the course of someone's life. This is something that I love to do, but it's not without its challenges, and it's a lot more long-winded and difficult than I think a lot of people might presume.